Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim deductions and credits on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Turbotax account. So go ahead and log into your Turbotax account using your email address and password on the Turbotax website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on deductions and credits. So go ahead and click on deductions and credits button to claim your deductions and credits. Next, you're going to select your deduction or credit type. So go ahead and select your deduction or credit type, including your mortgage interest, charitable donations, or the earned income tax credit. Next, you're going to enter your deduction or credit amount. So now you want to go ahead and enter your deduction or credit amount, including any supporting documentations or receipts that you have. Next, you want to review and verify your deductions and credits. So go ahead and make sure that the information that you have entered is accurate, just to ensure that nothing goes wrong. Once that's done, you can apply your deduction and credits to your tax returns. So go ahead and apply that to your tax return to reduce your tax liability. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim deduction and credits on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the